How did Bryce Canyon get its shape? Have you ever wondered how Bryce Canyon National Park in Utah came to have its stunning and unique shape? The answer lies in a fascinating mix of geological processes that have taken place over millions of years. This park is famous for its thousands of remarkable rock formations called Hoodoos, which are truly a sight to behold. Bryce Canyon sits atop the Ponsegunt Plateau, which is part of the larger Colorado Plateau's province. The rock layers here are mainly made of limestone from the Tertiary-aged Clarin Formation. This limestone was deposited in large lakes around 55 to 35 million years ago. Compared to other rock types, limestone is softer and more prone to erosion, which is key to understanding how the canyon formed. The Hoodoos themselves are created through a process known as differential erosion. This means that different rock layers wear away at different rates due to their varying hardness and chemical makeup. Water plays a big role in this erosion, especially through a method called ice wedging. When water seeps into cracks in the rock and freezes, it expands. This expansion creates pressure that gradually breaks the rock apart. Over time, this cycle of freezing and thawing leads to the formation of those iconic pillars we see today. Another important factor is the uplift of the Colorado Plateau, which started about 20 million years ago. This uplift raised the rock layers, exposing them to increased erosion. The elevation of the plateau ranges from 7,600 to 9,100 feet above sea level. This height creates a climate with frequent temperature changes. These temperature shifts, often crossing the freezing point, enhance the ice wedging process, making Bryce Canyon a perfect spot for Hoodoo formation. In addition to ice wedging, other forces like rainfall and chemical weathering also shape Bryce Canyon. Rainfall can dissolve limestone, creating a clay-like substance that washes away easily. Chemical weathering, often aided by carbonic acid formed when rainwater mixes with carbon dioxide, further erodes the rock surfaces. This process rounds the edges of Hoodoos and gives them their distinctive shapes. Understanding how Bryce Canyon got its shape is not just interesting. It is also important for park management and visitor safety. Campers and visitors should be aware of the ongoing erosion and weathering processes that can affect trails and viewpoints. This knowledge helps everyone appreciate the dynamic nature of the park and the need to preserve its unique geological features for future generations. So, the next time you visit Bryce Canyon National Park, take a moment to marvel at the incredible shapes and formations, knowing the story of how they came to be.